I need to know how to fix low water pressure in a refrigerator.
I hope you know the water pressure will be low if you're using the water supply to the home up.
This isn't like the ice maker and water dispenser stopping the moment everyone else is using the toilet during the Super Bowl halftime show.
You'll get a similar effect in some houses if you're doing all the chores at once, letting the dishwasher fill, washing machine start filling up and then try to get the water dispenser to work.
That wouldn't last this long.
I hope you don't have a water leak.
It would have to be a major leak to affect the refrigerator this bad.
If you turned off the water to the refrigerator to troubleshoot a leak, you'd have it fail to work and maybe even a notice, "Hey, I don't have water pressure."
If the refrigerator was smart enough to give me a notice like that, it would say, "Hey, the water is off."
At least water dispensers usually let you know when they are turned off. Ice makers may or may not make it obvious they are turned off.
I don't see any notices like that.
If you have a major problem with water pressure to the ice maker or a water dispenser, you could have a water leak in the water hose that runs up to the freezer and then back to the dispenser to chill the water.
Where would the water go?
Part of it would turn into ice in the refrigerator while part drains down the drain, but you'll risk the drain pan flooding when the thick layer of ice caused by the leak in the water hose the next time the defrost heater turns on.
You can get water flooding the drain pan if there is an air leak into the freezer, too, or blocked airflow down to the refrigerator.
If you don't have enough water pressure, it is either a disruption in supply or a loss of it coming in. I'm recommending checking the freezer because a leak anywhere else could be obvious.
If it was leaking in the door or shell, I might not notice it until the mold smell or rust made it obvious.
Or it could be the water filter.
I've heard of leaking from the water filter, but then the water would be pouring out the door.
If the water filter is so clogged that the unit won't send it water or can't get much water through, the solution is replacing the water filter.
I think it has an indicator for that.
I wonder if anyone reset the indicator the last time they did or reset it just to eliminate the notice that it needed to be changed.
Given all the features on the fridge, I can't guarantee they didn't reset it trying to get it out of Sabbath mode.
You can also check the water line in the freezer.
You already said to check for leaks and too much ice in the freezer as a result.
If there is some ice in the line blocking water flow, you'll get low water pressure in the dispenser. Fortunately, the solution for that is thawing out the line.